Hello, this video is for troubleshooting purposes. I have my Brooks converter. Currently it's in controller mode and I'm connected to my PlayStation 4 controller. So the only problem is that I'm having is that I can't use the L1 and R1 triggers to call out my assist. Nothing happens here. Nothing is happening here. But when I press L1, of course, my first assist comes out, which is Sentinel. My second assist comes out, and that's Magneto using the R2. Now I'm gonna try and remap the L2, the R2 trigger to L1. So here it is. There we go. I press L1. Now I hit select, and the R2. I press start, and I hit the PlayStation button. Now what I notice is that when I press it, it doesn't work. But what I'm noticing is that I'm seeing a flicker that it's registering, but nothing comes out. Can you see that? It's registering the button, but no assist comes out. So let me clear the, I'm gonna clear the remap. So there you go. And I press the PlayStation button. And now when I cleared it, here it is. Nothing happens. You don't see any blinking display. But so I'm testing the remap. So currently this is the jab button. Iron Man is jabbing, and the fierce. This is to prove that the remap works right now. So here we go. I want square to be fierce or triangle. Now select and triangle to do the fierce button. Start and PlayStation button. Get out of there. Now square should be fierce. There it goes. They're both fierce buttons. That's the issue I'm having. So I'm going to clear this and go back into. Now what's interesting is that when I put it into arcade mode, of course it treats the controller like an arcade stick. So if I hold the converter for 5 seconds, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Now we're in arcade mode. I can use the L1. See? It's working now. As you can see, even the R1's working. But if I switch it to controller mode, let me go back into it. Hold it for 5 seconds. There you go. And no assist. Because these are the only ones that are active, the triggers. So let me show you. I'm going to try and do the right trigger, okay? So now I'm going to do the R1. Here I go. I press R1. All right. I'm going to hit select, and then let's say I want this one to be R1. So share, and then that. Start, home button or PlayStation button. And then as you can see, it registered the remap, but nothing happens. As you can see, I'm pressing it, and you can see the light blinking, but nothing happens. And that is the issue I'm having. I wanted to try and decode this and debug this myself, and try to get into the software by reprogramming it. But of course, it's proprietary software, so I would need to have the software development kit to do that. But yeah, please help me. Please let your development team know that I'm just having an issue, and if we can have this fixed. As you can see, nothing's happening, but it's blinking, but nothing is happening. That's the issue I'm having. I hope you can take this into consideration and update it really soon so I can start using this button to call out an assist. There you go. Alrighty. I'll reset it just one more time. So when I reset it, nothing happens. Nothing's blinking anymore. Alright? Have a good day.